just about to do the introduction, and then I was spoon-fed shakalaka, the South African dish, and it's a bit spicy, but I'll try to talk. Okay, now I can do my introduction.
Please don't tell me you're gonna use that.
The song I want to show you today is
Shokora Baba
by Nicholas Zakaria from Zimbabwe. And yes, I've done this one before, a while back, with the bass patterns. But now I'm gonna give you a bit more of the guitars and even the drums. I'm also experimenting with a new way of visualizing the fretboard, or to visualize what I'm playing, which notes I'm hitting. I'm gonna try something new. Some of you told me to please slow down in the tutorials, so I hope this might help. This shakalaka. The original song is quite long, about 9-10 minutes, so I won't do the complete thing, but the selection. As always, feel free to comment if there's anything I'm doing technique-wise, or if there's any missing notes or rhythms that you disagree with, or finger positions, anything. Please let me know. now, the moment we've all been waiting for. Okay, that's all for this video. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe to my channel and you will receive notifications when I post my new video.